Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Xbox error code 0x8007003B. Something went wrong. Well, the first solution to fix this problem is go to your Windows search and just type here the Xbox, and Xbox app appear on the top, so make a right click on it and click on the app settings. And guys, once you open it, here in the setting just scroll down and you will see the option to repair it. So just click on this option of repair first. It will take some time, so just wait for it. And once it was repaired, you just need to reset it. Just click on this option of reset, then click on this option of reset again. Now once you reset this, restart the Xbox, then check problem is fixed or not. If you still getting the error message, then just close it and you just need to update your Xbox. So go to your Windows search and just type here the Microsoft Store and just open it. Just search for the Xbox and just open it and just update it if there is any available update for your Xbox. Once you update it, restart the Xbox and then check problem is fixed or not. So the next solution that you can try is check your network connection. Restart your router by modem. Unplug your router or modem for at least 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and wait for the network to stabilize. Test the Xbox network, go to the setting, go to the general, go to the network settings, go to the test network connection to ensure your Xbox is properly connected. The solution 2 is switch to a wired connection, and the solution 3 is clear Xbox cache. Turn off your Xbox and unplug it for the power source. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes to allow the cache to clear. Reconnect and power on the console. Then check if you are still getting the error. Still not working, so the next solution is ensure system and game updates. Navigate to the settings, system updates, and make sure your Xbox and game files are up to date. Now the fifth solution to fix this problem is free up storage space. Check your storage under settings, system, and storage. Delete unnecessary games, apps, or files to free up space. Now the sixth solution to fix this problem is reinstall the game or app. Uninstall and reinstall the game app that causing the error. Be sure to back up any important data before uninstalling. Still not fixed, so the next solution is verify Xbox Live status. Visit the Xbox Live service status page to ensure there is no ongoing outages that might be affect download or online activity. Still not working, so the eighth solution is perform a soft factory reset. Go to the setting, go to the system, go to the console info, go to the reset console, choose reset and keep my games, and as to reset system setting without losing game data. Now try all of this solution and hope one of these fix your problem, and if yes, please like this video and bye bye.